Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 10 free dollars on Cash App. This is a quick and easy method that anyone can use. All you need to do is refer someone using your personal referral link. First, open the Cash App on your phone. If you don't already have an account, download the app from the App Store or Google Play and create one. It only takes a few minutes to sign up. Once you're logged into your account, look at the top right corner of the home screen and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see a section that says Invite Friends, or sometimes it says Invite and Get $10. Tap on that option. Now you'll see a screen with your personal referral link. You can choose to invite people directly from your contact list, or if you prefer, just tap the share button to copy your link. You can then send that link to your friends or family through text, email, or even post it on your social media. Here's how the reward works. The person you invite must download Cash App using your link. Then they need to create an account and send at least $5 to anyone using the app. Once they do that, both of you will receive $10. The money is usually added to your Cash App balance within a few minutes. Make sure they complete all the required steps. If they miss any part, the bonus might not go through. And that's it. Once your friend finishes the steps, you'll get the $10 reward automatically. It's a simple way to earn a little extra cash by helping someone else sign up. If you run into any problems or have questions, you can contact Cash App support directly through the app. Thanks for watching.